Peace, y'all. You can see it's dark out there. It's been a full day. I told you I'd bring you the update, the change, the recalculation, and thanks to Rich. Rich just left. Wanted to get all of this welded up. All the steel, all the metal is welded up. The aluminum didn't get welded. We think, we hope not, but we think our second welder took a dump. We'll get into that some other time, but let's take a look at what we did. There is the finished product, right? We still have to get a couple pan tabs on the hoop, the backrest tubing to bolt this on, but easy enough. It's just these two bolts that take this thing off right now anyway. Got our headrest water tank perch deal on and in place. Yeah, it all worked out pretty good. Just kind of as we expected. This is the look that I wanted. Just want that relief, remember, for that vertebrae here. I know you can't see it. I don't know why I keep trying to watch the video and I couldn't see it. But trust me, that vertebrae, when your neck is bent, bulges out, and anything it touches, it just gets tender. So there you go. That was what we had in mind. I originally was going to cut it and try to bend these. Realizing that wasn't going to work, I just went ahead and saw cut down. Figured we'll just drop it back. And once I put that cut that piece out and boxed it in, it just looked hokey, man. I'm sorry. Got off the original plan onto something that was just, let's just get it done. Had Richard ringing in my ears about let's just get it to Grattan and you can change it after. Well, I won't be able to change it after because I'm going to be busy on this secret project until it's done, and it has to go to Daytona. So wanted to do this right now while we got the time. So here we got all day tomorrow, Sunday. Our welder is botched. Rich will take this to work and weld it up. We have the MIG welder to weld the other tabs on to hold this panel to that hoop. From there, it's just putting the swirlies in it. We got everything going with our hip bolsters. Had to go out and buy some more hardware. I like these little stainless little quarter 20s because they don't rust, right? So everything in here will be stainless. These may or may not be stainless. It depends on what I got going on. But these are all cut out. I need to put the machine turning on both of these tomorrow. Get these things bolted up. I'll probably just hit these with a can of flat black spray bomb real quick just so they won't rust. And we'll get this, we'll get this stuff all dressed up and in place. Not going to worry too much about this right now until after Rich gets it welded. We gotta fit a piece of aluminum on here. For our headrest, just padding, just probably a 1/2 inch or 3/4 of an inch of padding. We'll have to get in here and lay down again and find out what we need. We have the hold down deal for the air bottle here, or for the water bottle, air bottle, but it's on an angle. Not sure that is going to work with, well, it might. Look at that. Yeah, maybe it will. So that was the idea, was to continue using this. We need something because we used you see the slot in there. We use the strap, right? We use the strap to hold the bottle on to the mount. So getting closer, little bit by little bit. We're getting a little closer. I'm much happier with this here. I'm sure y'all are happier with that too, aren't you? That thing was looking a little rough. I'm sorry, but this looks nice. Much cleaner, nicer looking, and now it's done. So tomorrow we can move on. We'll get as much going as we can without having this finalized. Rich welding that on. Probably get the tabs on, holes drilled in this pan, so everything is with mounting the pan's done, except the welding and the machine turning. Then we'll probably, after getting these on and getting this squared away, we'll slot the chain guard. We'll put slots in here, get everything so it's adjustable like we need it to be. Then we'll start working on the perch for the shift cable. That again is the next most important piece. We have a little list over here of stuff to do, the LED light, some other small things. It's already geared for Grattan, so and tire dimension and all that stuff is set up for the gear. So we're good to go. I think we're still ahead of the game, so little recalculating going on there, but we made it work, and it worked out. Long day, but I'm going to get in and get something to eat. Sherry's out with the girls. They're down at the casino, eating at the 5-star restaurant, and then probably gambling, although she says she's not going to. But why else would you go to a casino? Half the office girls that she works with, a bunch of her friends, they're all spending the night down there. Somebody has a comped room down there, so more power to them. You know, it's good as long as they, you know, good clean fun. They keep it clean. Everything's good. I don't care. I can go stay up half the night, go to bed, sleep as long or as little as I want. Get up in the morning, get out here with some coffee, and not have to worry about, you know, answering any questions from the boss, if you know what I mean. So there you go. That's it for the 8th. I like it a lot better. I hope you do too. It was worth the extra effort to make sure we got this thing right the first time, because we're just not going to have time after Grattan to work on it. Godspeed, God bless. We are praying for you. Love you all. Hang in there. It'll get better.